Hello dear students, welcome back to NEET World. So today we will be discussing in continuation to the previous discussion of this IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so here we have started IUPAC nomenclature discussion from very basic, from very scratch right now. So this is our session 2 on IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, and it will be very useful if you are really preparing for your JEE, NEET or EAPCET exams. Okay, right. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, so I suggest you to watch it so that you will get more clarity from very basic. Okay, right. So again, so we'll be discussing now some questions and also understanding the other important points or the rules given by IUPAC in order to write the names for different organic compounds. Okay, right. Let's begin our session here. So here, let me check everything is clear, audio, video, right? Yeah. So here, this is a standard way of writing a name that we have discussed yesterday. See, while writing an organic compound like IUPAC name, there will be something called parent chain. Okay, the longest hydrocarbon chain is called a parent chain. Okay, from that we'll get a word root. Okay, it means how many carbons are there in the given compound. If it is 5 carbons, pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, like that. Okay, and after this parent chain, here parent chain is indicated, that is word root here, and here we are writing suffix. Suffix is of two types, secondary and primary and secondary. So primary and secondary. Primary indicates like double bond or triple bond, or whether it is single bond, alkanes can be indicated here. And suffix indicates the principal functional group. What is that? Principal functional group. For example, in a given compound, look at this, try to write the IUPAC name of this compound. See, I am writing here COOH, and at this position I am writing OH. So now tell me, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Okay, how can you write the name? Just try once. Try it once, very easy. See, first of all, count number of carbons in the parent chain, identify the longest chain having that functional group. See, what are the functional groups we have? One is carboxylic acid, another one is OH. Let us insert one double bond over here, somewhere here, I am writing a double bond also. Now tell me, where do we start our numbering? See, this COOH is a priority functional group as per the priority table that we have discussed yesterday. So carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, esters, that cyanides, all these things we discussed in the last class, right, based on that. So write your number 1 here, and the next this is 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. Like this we need to identify longest hydrocarbon chain. Okay, so at second position we have a substituent methyl, at third position we have alcoholic group. So now out of these two functional groups, carboxylic acid is more priority. So the name of this compound should end with our carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid principal functional group, so name end with this carboxylic acid, that is suffix of this carboxylic acid is oic acid. What is that? Oic acid. Now OH group is there now, so this will be considered as a prefix. So what is the prefix here? Hydroxy for alcohol. Okay, hydroxy. And here we have methyl. And if you see at this 4th and 5th position, we have a double bond, that is alkene right now. So the name should includes ene. So total number of carbons are 5, having one methyl group substituent, one hydroxy. So now which comes first in alphabetical order, H or M? See here, H is there, M is there. So H comes first now. So you can write 3 hydroxy. So 3 hydroxy and 2 methyl, 2 hydroxy, 3 methyl, 2 methyl, pent. Pent is a word root here. Pent. What is the position of double bond here? 4 now. So pent 4-ene, and at first position carboxylic acid, now oic acid. See, whenever we are counting the carbon of carboxylic acid, it should be oic acid, suffix should be oic acid. If we are not counting that carboxylic acid carbon, then the name should end with as carboxylic acid itself. okay. So that 4-enoic acid, 4-enoic acid like this. So this is the standard way of writing the name. So what is the word root here? Pent. And what is our primary suffix here? -ene, okay, and secondary suffix is what? Principal functional group is oic acid, that's it. And when it comes to prefixes, this is word root now, pentene is our word root, okay. Before this we have this prefix right now. So now these are normal substituents only. Sometimes compound will be cyclic, sometimes it is open, here it is open. So open means no need of writing this primary prefix, but sometimes it is a cyclic compound, then you should need to indicate it is cyclo. So cyclopentane, cyclobutane, like that we are writing now. So that cyclo indicates this primary prefix. Primary prefix is nothing but whether it is bicyclo, cyclo, spiro, whether it is open, that kind of clarity will get from that primary prefix. So this is the standard way of writing a IUPAC name of the given organic compounds. Hope the discussion here is clear right now. So let me show you a few examples. This all we have discussed in the last class, that is yesterday's class, okay. All the exception, I mean, how can we write a complex organic compound name? See, this much big is there, so do not worry like how big it is. Just follow the rules given by IUPAC to write the name of this compound. That will be very simple, okay. So you just try this. If you are really facing difficulty to answer its name, just watch my yesterday's session, because again I do not want to discuss the same thing, okay. Let us move forward with a little more clear discussion of some other compounds, okay. So now once again look into this priority table. These are all the functional group present, so you can prioritize them like this. Which is more prioritized here? One is carboxylic acid, next sulfonic acid, next esters, acid halides, amides, cyanides, aldehydes, ketones, or hydroxy groups, thiols, and the next amines, the next alkene, alkyne. So these are the priority table, okay. Based on that, see, let me write few names here so that you will answer me this. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Tell me. Very easy. I know you can easily answer this question if you have followed the session. Just tell me from where we should start the numbering first. Tell me, identify parent chain here. See, parent chain include principal functional group. There are 3 functional groups here, but out of that aldehyde is more prioritized functional group as per the priority table that I have shown here. So as per this, aldehyde more prioritized, then next hydroxy, then next amines right now. So based on this you can easily write this. Tell me, this is first, and after this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got our 6 carbons. After the identification of 6 carbon parent chain, now our principal functional group is aldehyde. That carbon is also counted now. So the name of the compound should end with al. Aldehyde means suffix is al, all. Okay, that's it. So now at 4th position we have amine, at 5th position we have nitro. So name of these substituents should followed in alphabetical manner. Amines, A comes first, then next N. So 4 amino, 5 nitro, 5 nitro, up to here it is clear. The next 6 carbons are there in the parent chain. Hex, at 2nd position double bond, hex 2 in, next double, like this aldehyde should be indicated, 2 in all, that's it, 2 in all, that's it, this will be the name, or 2 in 1 all. So indication of 1 is not a mandatory thing, you can write directly in all, that's it. So this will be the perfect IUPAC name of this particular given compound, okay. Now I will be giving you similar type of example and expecting answer from you in the chat box, okay. You just mention your answer in the chat box after this, just look at here. Here let me write. What is the IUPAC name of this particular compound? Just mention in the chat box, that's it, okay. So try this and tell me your answer in the chat box. If you want, let us make it like this. Yeah. So tell me answer for this particular question in the chat box. You can write your answer in the chat box. Okay. Even if it is wrong, no issues. We'll make it correct. First of all, you try to answer me in the chat box for this. Okay. Right. Let's move forward. Okay. Let's move forward here. Yeah. So now look at this. The given compound contains two like see here one carboxylic acid, one aldehyde. Which is more prioritized here? Carboxylic acid, right now. So the numbering should start from this carboxylic acid side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6th position double bond O is there, aldehyde is there. So you can say it as, you are counting this carbon now. So that's it. So it means oxo, 6 oxo, 6 oxo. The next hexane, first carbon oic acid, hexane oic acid. That's it. This is the name of the given compound. See, oxo is used as a prefix when carbon of CHO is included in the parent chain, or else formyl. If this group carbon is not included in the count, see I have included over here. If not included, just look at here what I am writing here. See, see what I am doing here, just put here COOH here, and the next here I am writing one CHO group. Now what will be the IUPAC name of this compound? Tell me, what will be the IUPAC name of this compound? Here let us say one methyl group is there. So now what happens, or methyl or whatever might be one functional group is there, like NH2 group or something like this we have. So where do we need to start numbering from? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay. So now once after identifying principal functional group, remaining all other functional groups can be considered as substituents only. They should be written in the prefix. Okay. So what are the other functional group we have? One is amine, another one is aldehyde. So you can say we are not counting this carbon now. So we are not counting this carbon now. Yes, someone in the chat box. Hi sir. Yes. Hi dear. How are you? I am fine, fine, fine. See, tell me here, in this parent chain, we are not counting this CH3, CHO carbon and this nitrogens are there, amine group is there. So now the name of this compound should be written as 3-formyl. This carbon is not counted now, so you can write 3-formyl. Before that we have amino now. What is the position of that amine? 5. So 5-amino, 3-formyl, next. So what is the parent chain? Hexane oic acid, one oic acid, hexane oic acid, that's it. This is the name of this particular given compound. Okay. Hope the discussion here is very clear without having any confusions, right? Next here, look at these compounds. Here I have mentioned, voice is low. I think now it is perfect. There is no disturbance in the voice. Yeah. So now just tell me what is IUPAC name. See, this aldehydic carbon is not in the parent chain right now. So we have a cyclic 6-member ring. So you can simply write cyclohexane carbaldehyde as the IUPAC name of this compound, carbaldehyde. Okay, what is the name of this compound? Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, so this is amide now. So tell me what is the name of this compound. See, I will give you one table to remember. If that CHO group is not mentioned in the parent chain, you can say it is carbaldehyde. The next carboxylic acid. If it is a halide, carbonyl halide. Esters alkyl carboxylate. Amide carboxyamide. Cyanides carbonitrile. That's it. Okay. The next, tell me what is the name of this compound now? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. What is the name of this compound? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Okay, and what about this cyclohexane? Here we have methyl cyclohexane carbanoate. Okay, alkanoate, like that we should call. Okay, and here when it comes to organic compounds here, first of all let me give you some clarity. See, on benzene ring, this is the given compound cyclohexane. If there is pi electrons in conjugation, we are calling it as benzene. What is the formula? C6H6. Now on this benzene ring, if one methyl group is attached, we can call it as toluene. What is that? Toluene. Okay, toluene. And this is common name accepted also, and the next it is also called as methyl benzene. What is that? Methyl benzene. So methyl benzene or toluene. Okay. So now on this benzene ring, if we have OH group, now we can say it has a phenol. Phenol is a accepted IUPAC name also. And the next, if on benzene ring, on this phenyl ring, if we have NH2, you can call it as aniline. So these names are common names, also accepted IUPAC names. Okay, remember these names first. Okay, now for example, here on phenol, you have methyl group or something like some ethyl group is there here, and one NH2 group is there here. So what could be the IUPAC name of this compound? So very simple, we need to start numbering, but from where? OH group is there now here, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can write 4 amino, 3 ethyl. So what is that? 4 amino, alphabet A comes first, so that's why 4 amino, 2 ethyl phenol, that's it, phenol. This will be the IUPAC name of this given compound. Hope the discussion is clear. Okay, so now tell me here, what is the IUPAC name of this given compound? CH3 group over here, and the next, here I am writing nitro group, and here one chlorine is there. Okay, so how you will be numbering it, and what is the name of this compound? Okay, will you try this? Will you try this? Okay, just tell me what is the IUPAC name of this given compound here based on the discussion. Yeah, next, just mention its name. Just try this. What is the name of this compound here again? See, when we have 3 nitro groups on phenol at ortho positions and para position, the common name of this compound is called picric acid. What is it? Picric acid, which is a strong acid here. It can even react with NaHCO3. See, remember this point. If I say simple phenol is taken, simple phenol upon treating with NaHCO3, no reaction. There is no reaction. But when we treat this with NaHCO3 with this trinitrophenol, yes, this will react with this weak base. Okay, and what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this you number. So we have a 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol is the IUPAC name of this given compound. Hope the discussion is clear about this IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, let me give few more compounds. Can you answer me this? What will be the name of this compound? One, see, whenever phenyl ring is there, like phenyl ring is attached to the functional group. See, this functional group is not present on this benzene ring directly, right now. If it is directly on this phenyl ring, if it is like this, you should call it as benzoic acid. What is that? Benzoic acid. Okay, here it is not directly attached. So now what will be the parent chain here? So the carboxylic acid containing chain will be parent chain. So 1, 2. So at second position we have this benzene ring, that is what phenyl ring we should say. So whenever this attachment is there, this ring is attached, you should call it as a phenyl. Okay, what is that? Phenyl. So now phenyl, what is the position of phenyl? 1, 2. So you can simply write 2 phenyl, 1, 2, ethanoic acid, that's it. This is the IUPAC name of the given compound. Can you write what will be the IUPAC name of this compound based on the previous discussion? What will be the IUPAC name of this compound? Please mention in the chat box if you got the concept. Okay, same, in the same way you can answer me this. Okay, next. See here, try to write its IUPAC name, just cross verify yourself whether are you able to do this or not. Pause the video and try to answer me these. See what is the principal functional group here? Carboxylic acid, hydroxy group, ketone group. Which is more prioritized? We know carboxylic acid. So numbering should be given from where? From carboxylic acid, so from here. So now these groups are now substituents. Therefore 5 are there means pentanoic acid will be there. So 2 hydroxy will be there, 4 keto or oxo should be. Here it is counted now, this carbon is counted means you should call it as oxo. So the name will be now 2 hydroxy, 4 oxo, pentanoic acid. Okay, and what about this? Just now I told you, if the COOH is not counted into the carbon, the name should end with carboxylic acid. So cyclohexane carboxylic acid. And you know this is a previously asked question. Okay, now see, whenever same groups are there like this, 3 groups are same, therefore we cannot prioritize them or we cannot differentiate them while counting a parent chain. Right now, therefore all these are now kept aside. Count number of carbons in long chain, 1, 2, 3 are there. So propane you can say propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde we can call it as. Okay, what is the name of this compound? Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. If it is an aldehyde, tricarbaldehyde. If it is a carboxylic acid, just tell me CH, 2 COOH. Tell me what is the name of this compound fast? 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. So propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid will be the name of this particular compound. Okay, right. Next, so let's solve some PYQ questions. Yeah, so tell me what is the IUPAC name for the given compounds. Just match them whether they are correct or not. Tell me. This is from EAPCET paper. Okay, very easy. I know you can easily answer. Just mention your answer in the chat box if you know the answer, whether option A is correct or not. Just verify and tell me whatever the concept you know, just apply it and you can answer me. Yeah, see here we can call it as phenol right now because OH group is there which is more prioritized. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. What is the name of this compound? 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. It is correct only. Next, when it comes to this nitro groups and chlorine, we need to number it in such a way that lowest sum rule will be accepted here or followed here. Okay, so if I start numbering from chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, we'll get like this. If in another way if I give from start from here 1, 2, 3, so it is a bigger number, but this is the proper way of numbering because we will get lowest sum rule. Why is the lowest numbers here we are getting for the substituent 1, 2 and 4, so total sum is 7 only. In any other manner if you try, you will be getting a different number. Let's try in some other way. What is the other way we can have? So if you give number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then what will be the answer? 1, 3, 4. Okay, this is 8. This is a bigger number, so this is incorrect. Only first one is correct. And the next one is, can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5. This is also 8. So this is also not the way. Only first one is proper way of numbering. So we can say one position chloro, second and the other fourth position is nitro. So 1 chloro, 1 fluoro, it should be 1 fluoro, 2, 4 dinitro, but it is not in that way. So it is incorrect. So the option for this question will be second option. Let's check for other options also. See here, for this one, again follow lowest numbering rule because there is no principal functional group, so follow lowest numbering rule. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 nitro and 2 chloro. So 2 chloro, 4 nitro, and here we have methyl. So which comes first, which alphabetical order comes first? So chlorine first, C comes first, so 2 chloro, 1 methyl, then next 4 nitrobenzene. So this is correct only. So only incorrect one is B. Next, can you answer me this one? See, ethyl group at 4th position, methyl group at 2nd position. So 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, aniline. So this is perfectly correct. So incorrect one is only option B. Okay, that will be your answer for the question. Okay, right. Let's move forward. Here. Yeah, can you answer me these 2 questions? Try these ones. Just pause the video and try to answer me this. Yeah, guys, if you are really facing difficulty to answer them, see, it's very easy. We already discussed those kind of examples, very basic examples. All these questions are previous year questions only. Okay, now you can try. If you are facing difficulty to answer them, just watch the previous part 1 video of this IUPAC nomenclature that is discussed in yesterday's class. Okay, right. Okay, let's move forward with few more topics or questions. Can you answer me this? See, this is a multiple times repeated question, so that you should not skip this kind of questions. You must attempt. Yeah, who is ready to answer me this? Tell me. The IUPAC name of the following compound, following molecule is, what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? Tell me. So from where we can write, where we can give the numbering for these? Tell me first. See, if I start numbering from here, we will get largest number, but if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, this is perfect numbering. So you have 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitro, benzene. So where do we have 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitro, benzene. So option C is your answer for the question. See, multiple times same question or similar question were repeated. Should not skip this kind of questions while you are practicing for the exam. Okay, next. Answer me the next question that I am projecting here. Is the voice is clear or not? Yeah, its voice is clear, everything is clear. Just tell me what will be the priority order of the given functional groups. Again, from yesterday's discussions, these questions are. Okay, we know carboxylic acid is more, then next sulfonic acid, then next cyanides, then next aldehydes, hydroxys. First option is perfectly correct. Okay, next, can you answer me this question now? From where we need to give the numbering? What will be the priority functional group here? Just look. How many carbons are there? If I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4th. At 4th position, keto. So because we know carbonyl group, keto group is more functional, more priority than this double bond and triple bonds right now. So it means if I start numbering from here, ethyl is there, 1, 2, 3. This is 4th. From here also it is 4th, so take this one as a correct one. Here, from here it will be giving a bigger number for our keto. So choose the lowest number. Choose a side which gives lowest number to our principal functional group. So this is the side it is giving lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, like this you can write the numbers. After this, you can see at 3 position, at 7th position we have ethyl groups, and at 3rd position we have bromo. So you can simply say 3 bromo, 7 chloro, 7 chloro, and then next 3, 7 dimethyl, 3, 7 dimethyl, 3, 7 diethyl. Next, how many carbons? No name right now. So diethyl. name should be alkenine type. It means first double bond, then next triple bond. Ethyl, diethyl, 7 ene and one ine known one ine, so just diethyl known 7 ene one ine 5 one. This will be the name of this compound. Very complex, right? But this is the proper way of writing the name for the given compound. Okay, right. So that's it. 3,7 dimethyl known ane. Okay, so here option D 4 bromo, yeah, so might be here 3 bromo here, so fourth option will be perfect for this particular question. Okay, so like this you take n number of questions, try to give on IUPAC nomenclature. See, even you can give for your steps or for whatever the objects you are seeing, consider them as organic molecules and try to write their names for few days. Okay, like if you have this panel here, we have this is like a 4-membered ring, 4-membered sign. So you can say cyclobutane. Like that you can see any object that visible to you, like a plant branch also you can write a name right now. So because it will be like this, so you can write its IUPAC name also right now. So next here this is over. What is IUPAC name for this? Tell me first. What is the IUPAC name for this? See, here we have OH group, NH2, CH3. We know OH is principal functional group, so number it as 1 here on this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after numbering, the name of the compound should end with a phenol because OH group is principal here, phenol. Then next we have 3-amino 5-methyl. So you can simply say 3-amino 5-methyl phenol. So B. B is your answer for the question. Okay, right. Next, can you answer me these two questions? Can you answer me these two questions? Anyone in the chat box can answer me. So given compound contain how many carbons? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So why I am starting numbering from here? Because cyanides are more priority functional groups than this ketone right now. So number it from here. Okay, so then next at 5th position we have ketone, that is oxo. Carbon is counted now, so oxo. So 5-oxo hexane nitrile. What is the name of that compound? 5-oxo hexane nitrile. So B. Then next, can you name what is the IUPAC name from this isoprene? What is this isoprene first? You know cyclobutane right now. So cyclobutadiene means like this. Butadiene means like this. So I am saying 1, 3 butadiene means you should write like this. So at 2nd position if we have a methyl group, so this compound is called isoprene. What is it? Isoprene. Okay. So now what is the IUPAC name of this isoprene? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-methyl 1, 3 butadiene. So 2-methyl 1, 3 butadiene will be the isoprene here. Okay, right. Next, try to write the IUPAC name for this compound. Anyone? So tell me what is the IUPAC name again for the given compound. Yeah. So from where we need to start the numbering again here. See, whenever there is halogens, nitro groups or ethoxy or alkoxy groups are there, just consider them as a substituents. Okay. For substituents, you need to number following a lowest thumb rule. So you can start numbering from here. So from here if I start 1, 2, 3, 4 we will get. Okay. If I start from here 1, 2, we got 1 place, 2 place, 4 we got. First way of numbering. Second way, if I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is over already. Next, if I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is giving 1, comma 2, comma 5. It's bigger number. So this is perfect. It means first position fluoro, second position nitro, fourth position ethyl. Which alphabet comes first? Ethyl. E comes first. Na? So 4 ethyl. So 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl. Next 1 fluoro. The next 2 nitro. Yes, 2 nitro benzene. So first option will be your answer for the question. Okay, right. This is also clear now, guys. If the things are clear, without wasting time, just click on the like button, and if you are new to the channel, just subscribe to our NEET World YouTube channel. Okay, and you can share with your friends also. Can you answer me this name? Yes, try this. So look at this, what is a compound given here. We have chlorine, methyl group, OH group and Br. So where do we start numbering? If I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4 we are getting for principal functional group, that is alcohol. If I start from here 1, 2, 3, yes, giving numbering from this side is better because OH group is a principal functional group, that should get a lowest number. So number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you can say 1 bromo, 5 chloro, 1 bromo, 5 chloro, 1 bromo, 5 chloro, 4 methyl, hexane, 3 ol. That's it. Fourth option is your answer for the question. Okay, right. And we have other model questions here. Just look at this, what they are saying. This is again important model. This is now, this time they won't give structure, they will give some formula, some kind of formula, and they are saying the given compound with a molecular formula is C6H14 has 2 tertiary carbons. What will be the IUPAC name of that compound? C6H14 is a molecular formula having 2 tertiary carbons. How many tertiary carbons? 2. What is its IUPAC name? How do you write these? 6 carbons are there, na? Write a chain here first. Write the parent chain like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over. Okay, so if this is a chain we are writing for 6 member ring, there is no tertiary carbon we are seeing. Tertiary means what? Carbon should be surrounded by 3 other carbons. Okay, so now let us make it. First of all, let me write a 4-membered chain like this. Okay, after this, if I write one more carbon over here, it is becoming tertiary, secondary, it is becoming now tertiary. Just look at here, yes, this carbon is now tertiary. Okay, tertiary. So in the same way, I can make this carbon also tertiary by making this methyl group and making this methyl group, here one hydrogen. See, carbon attached with 3 other carbons, 1, 2, 3. This carbon attached with 1, 2, 3 carbons. So both of them are tertiary carbons now. So our molecule is constructed here. So what is IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3 dimethyl butane. What is that? 2, 3 dimethyl butane. So fourth option will be your answer. Okay. Now I can make one more question with the same molecular formula. Now tell me the compound with the same molecular formula having one quaternary carbon. How many quaternary carbons? 1 quaternary carbon. You need to construct it. Quaternary carbon means the central carbon must be surrounded with 4 other carbons. Okay. Now based on this, you tell me what is the IUPAC name that comes when you construct a formula, when you construct a compound having 1 quaternary carbon with this molecular formula C6H14. Okay. Okay, then next. What is IUPAC name for this? This is again NEET, it is asked. How easy it is? If you follow the classes, whatever we discussed, you can easily answer this. Okay, so the correct structure of 2,4 dimethyl dec 4-ene, you can easily answer. You just try this question and tell me your answer in the chat box. What is IUPAC name for this? Again, from where you should start numbering. See, aldehyde is more priority than ketone. So aldehyde should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over the next sixth position you have, second position we have methyl. So you can say methyl, and this is 3 position we have like oxo or keto. It is oxo. We'll see anywhere oxo is mentioned. No, it is mentioned as keto. What is the number 3? So 3 keto, 2 methyl, hex 5 ene or 5 ene. Yes, 5 ene, 4 ene it is actually. Hex 4 ene. See, fourth position, double bonded carbon first. So 4 ene. See, 3 keto, 2 methyl, hex 4 ene or. So fourth option will be your answer for the question. Okay, right. Once again, let's move forward. These are tautomers, isomerism. We will see in the next class. Just identify, if you know the concept, just identify what type of isomers these are. Okay. Okay. So just tell me what will be the name for these compounds which I am going to write here. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Just you just answer me them based on your understanding. Just mention like practice questions, number 1, number 2, like that, and you mention your answer in the chat box for them. Okay, and third question here. Okay, do not scare by looking at the molecules. It's very easy. You just follow the like rules that we discussed. Okay. So 4, 5. Okay. So these are the compounds. I just wanted to give them as your homework questions. Just try them. If you have any things to express, you just tell me. I'm free to express your concerns. We'll discuss here now. Hope your preparation is going well for your upcoming EAPCET, JEE, NEET. Okay. And I hope those who are from MPC background, I mean mathematics background, every one of you must write your JEE exams. Do not hope only on your EAPCET. Just first give your 100% in your first phase of this JEE. Okay, prepare for it very well. Then after you can think about your EAPCET. Okay, because if you consider the questions that are asking in EAPCET, you might feel easy, but number of questions are more here. So number of questions are more means the time you are spending for each question will be less. Okay, if it is less, you can't, like some other students might be having more calculating capacity, like they can calculate very fastly. So do not think that I can crack EAPCET with very good marks later, now I will enjoy. No, first you focus and give 100% for your first JE first. Okay, once after finishing your first phase, you think about your second phase of JE along with your EAPCET preparation. Okay, and even NEET students practice the questions, that maximum number of questions. See, when it comes to NEET aspirants, they will be sticking to your biology part. No, I suggest you to cover all 4 subjects. You can cover chemistry as well as physics along with your bio parts. Okay, and when it comes to chemistry, do not only depend on theoretical based questions. Try to solve as many questions as you can. Like, do not skip your organic as well as physical. Okay, because most of the students are very poor in their mathematical calculations when it comes to NEET aspirants. Okay, so I suggest you them to practice more numerical based questions and make your solving skill improved, like analytical ability to be enhanced, okay, before your exam, so that you can score maximum marks in mathematics, physics and chemistry, so that your rank will be boosted to a very good top college. Okay, right. So take all this as your suggestions from my side. So if you have any help from, if you want any help from our side, you just mention in the comment box, so that we'll definitely look into it and we'll cover them in the upcoming sessions. Okay, right. So thank you for watching. Just stay connected with our NEET World YouTube channel. Thank you.